Hey guys, me Kim Bitos, and today I'm going to show you how to download Five Nights at Freddy's for free, just for free guys, and it's full version. Now first go to your Google Chrome, search FNAF for Android APK. Just search this guys, FNAF for Android APK. And click the first one thing. If it's not work, then we click the third one. Now we're just gonna click the first one, click download. Now it's downloading Five Nights at Freddy IP key. Now we just wait to full of 53.6 MB. Now wait for 5 minutes. Okay, I think it's almost ready. Hmm. Come on. Yes, it's ready. Super loading. Open. Now, okay, open. Staging up. Just wait guys. Just wait for install. Quite loading. It's quite loading. Oh, okay. Where we pick new or all? Let's click all. Okay. Wait for it guys. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Huh. Wah, wah, wah. What the fuck?